Okay, this morning we have a Ford Focus in, old shape. It's going to have the headlights restored. So as we can see there, they look very faded. So they do make the car look a little bit sad on the front. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them back 6 grades, and then we're going to buff them up and put a ceramic coating over the front, which will obviously make it last a lot longer, and it should set the front of the car back off again. Okay, so the full focus is all done now, and so as we can see, it looks like it's got brand new lights in the front of it compared to what it was when it previously come in. And it's got the 2-year protection on the lenses as well. As you can see, it absolutely sets the motor off. Just having nice shiny front headlights.